Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of healthy eating habits and meal planning strategies to help you achieve wellness. Are you ready to transform your eating habits and take control of your health? Let's get started with habit number 1, mindful eating. Mindful eating is all about being present in the moment and paying attention to what and how you eat. By practicing mindful eating, you can enhance your enjoyment of food, improve digestion, and make healthier choices overall. Now, let's talk about habit number 2, balanced nutrition. Achieving a balanced diet means incorporating a variety of foods from all food groups to ensure you're getting essential nutrients your body needs. Habit number 3 is all about portion control. Controlling your portion sizes can help you manage your weight and prevent overeating. Meal planning, our 4th habit, is a game changer when it comes to eating healthier and saving time and money. With meal planning, you can streamline your grocery shopping and ensure you have nutritious meals ready to go throughout the week. And finally, habit number 5, making smart food choices. Learning how to read food labels and make informed choices can empower you to make healthier decisions when shopping or dining out. And there you have it, 5 simple, healthy eating habits and meal planning strategies to help you achieve wellness. Remember, small changes can lead to big results. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips on living a healthy lifestyle. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care and eat well.